Perfect. Perfect.
Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Bree, and welcome back to my fridge.
Today's menu, we will be making an American classic, the pound cake, which many don't realize the original formula specified a pound each of butter, eggs, flour, and sugar. So, let's begin. Starting with soft, room temperature butter, cream until it is light and lump-free. I creamed mine for about 3 minutes. Scrape down your bowl if necessary and add your sugar. Cream again for another 3 minutes or until it is light and fluffy. This is necessary because this is what's going to help us give us that tender crust, a moist crumb, and a uniform rise. I like to scramble my eggs before I add them to the cream butter mixture. I just feel like they'll emulsify better versus just dropping them whole. Plus sometimes when you just drop them in, they can create little lumps, like little hard lumps in the batter. So to avoid that, scramble them first. Once you have finished creaming your butter and sugar, add your room temperature eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then stir in your extracts. Fold in your sifted dry ingredients in 3 batches. And if you notice, I switched from my mixer to a rubber scraper. This just helps you prevent from over mixing your batter. So just fold it in, and like I said, do 3 batches. Alright, now that our cake batter is done, we can go ahead and place it in a well-greased pan. I'm using a bundt pan. You can use a loaf pan. I decided to grease mine with vegetable oil and flour. You can use baking spray as well. I would avoid using butter just for the simple fact it has the tendency to steam, but if butter is all you got, then butter is all you got. Bake this at 325, anywhere from 60 to 70 minutes. Or until a skewer is inserted and it comes out clean or with just a few moist crumbs. So you'll notice in the video that I'm using a skewer and I'm just going through the cake. I'm using this to make sure I get rid of any air bubbles, and then I'm just kind of banging it on the powder because I really want to get rid of these air bubbles. So yeah.